You guys, today we're going to be making carnitas in our Instant Pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit that saute button. And pour in some olive oil or any oil of your choice, just enough to coat the bottom. Gonna let that heat up. You're going to place the pork in there. You just want to do a single layer and try not to crowd everything. You're going to want to get a browning on each side. Oop, stuck a little there. So as you can see, it's browned on one side. It's going to take about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once it looks like this, you're going to want to go ahead and remove it from your Instant Pot. Then we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of water just to deglaze. So you want to get a flat wood spoon and just scrape till you get all that goodness off the bottom. Scrape. There we go, that's looking pretty good. So you're going to go ahead and put your pork back in the pot. I used about 3 pounds of pork. And our pork already came cut up like that, so. And you're going to go ahead and switch it over or off. So I went ahead and put an 1/8 cup of chopped garlic. I was lazy and used the already chopped stuff. 1 small white onion. More onion. And then it looks like I'm going to put my dry seasoning. So I put 1 tablespoon of salt, kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. And then we're going to put the juice of 1 orange. As you can see, I was kind of struggling. You can also see that I'm standing on a chair because I am too short. And then we're going to put the juice of half a lime. And then you're going to stir it on up. And make sure you get the seasoning on all the pork. I was terrified that pot was going to be hot. It wasn't, thank goodness. And then you just can go ahead and put the lid on. You want to make sure the vent is off or closed. And then you're going to go ahead and put it for the normal high pressure for about 25 minutes. I did it for 25. If you want it a little more tender or if you have a little more pork, I would put it to about 30 minutes. Then once it's done, you're going to go ahead and release the steam. You could also let it do a natural release if you like. But as you can see, it's nice and tender and pulled apart very nicely. Shred. Shred some more. And personally, I like to pull out all the onions and put it on there too. Shred, shred, shred. So we're eating these in tacos, so it didn't have to be perfect or beautiful. If only I could shred this fast in a real person. In real life, this would be great. So then you're going to go ahead and get a pan, a skillet. You're going to put a little olive oil on the bottom. Apparently I did that before we were recording. And then you're just going to place all that shredded pork into the pot once it's nice and hot. This is me testing to see if it was hot. Almost there. Every little last bit. And you're just going to go ahead and fry this until it's nice and toasty and golden brown. You don't want to do it too much to where it's crunchy. You just want to get a little crisp on the outside of the meat. So I'd say I cooked this for a good 2-3 minutes just to toast it up a bit. And this is what you want it to look like. And seriously guys, this was the best carnitas I think I've ever made in the matter of, what, 45 minutes? And here's the finished plate. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe.